All right, good evening, everyone. I've received some emails and some questions about accessing your Envision online and completing your assignments. So I'm going to do my best to give you a quick visual on how to do that. This makes try number 9. Fingers crossed this one works, and I can actually show you what I'm doing. That's the part where I keep getting messed up. Okay, let me see if I can switch my screens. Awesome. Okay, so here's my email. Don't read any of them, but there's nothing important there anyways for you. All right, I want you to open up Google Classroom. I'm trying to put all the information for you that you need in Google Classroom. From here, here's the announcements. However, in classwork, here's general information, and this very first one, Envision EasyBridge. This is the link to get you to where you need to go. So click on that and open it up. Please click on sign in at the top, and you're going to sign in as a student or teacher. All right, don't enter anything here. It's not going to work. What you can do, what you need to do, what you have to do is click EasyBridge Plus and Auto. Click there. You will need to search for your school district. Let's move my window out of the way. Dearborn Public School District, INT. It's there for me because I've already typed it in. You will need to start typing in Dearborn. You will get a drop-down menu of schools and then just click on Dearborn Public Schools, then go. Select your Google account. Obviously, it must be your school email. So we're going to click on that one. Okay, it will probably take you here. If so, just click on your Envision Algebra 2 Common Core. Ignore the rest of these on my screen because I have one for each class. You guys only have one class in here, maybe 2 if you are taking Geometry or Algebra 1. It will take you over to the Pearson Realize. You have already picked your background and your icon. However, if this is the first time that you're doing this, it will ask you to pick your background image, your icon, and your language. Here you have the Envision Algebra 2 Common Core. You will only have one here again, unless you are also taking Algebra 1 or Geometry. Your assignments will appear here, I believe. Right now you have one assignment that is due Wednesday. Thursday morning, you will have another assignment pop up, and that one will be due Saturday. It is my intention to have all of your assignments due on Wednesdays and Saturdays. I want to space them out to give you time to work on them, as well as time to work on the assignments for your other classes. All right, you will need to actually go through the textbook to do the assignments and know what you're talking about. So if you click on the textbook, it will open up to here. You can click this right here, but I don't recommend it because it starts you off at the very beginning of the book, and it takes a long time to get to the sections and chapters you need. For these 3 weeks, you're going to be working out of chapter 11. So scroll to chapter 11. From here, you can open up the student edition for topic 11. You want to open in a new window? Yes. It will ask you why, I don't know, but it does. And here is your chapter 11. Here's your essential question. What questions can you answer by using statistics and normal distribution? Here's your topic vocabulary. Some of it might look familiar. Some of it maybe you've seen, but you just don't know what they mean. And some of it just might be new. Here's your topic overview. If you click on lesson 11.1, that takes you right to your first lesson. We're going to be doing 11.1 on the first week, 11.2 the second week, and 11.3 the third week. From here, you can click on, again, the essential question, just the vocabulary for this topic, your I can statements, your lesson overview if you want to get to certain examples just a little bit quicker. I suggest just clicking the next button and going through the lessons. Your explore and reason will always be your warm-up activity to get you thinking about what that lesson will be. Click next, it takes you to the next one. So this is your example 1, asking you a question. See if you can answer it yourself and then check the solution. Vocabulary words are highlighted in yellow. They're important. Please make sure you read them. Please make sure you know them. Please make sure you understand them. If you click on this next dot over, it shows me that there are 3 slides to this that I need to use before moving on to the next screen. Again, it's giving me another question. See if I can answer it to myself and check my solution. And then finally, here is a third one as well. This one is one for you to try. It's a try it, so this is for you to do. Is the given question a statistical question? So is it? It's going to be a yes or no. Type in whatever you think your answer is, and then check your answer. You cannot click this. It won't let you click anything unless you type something in. Okay. Is it a statistical question? Yes, it is a statistical question. How would you know what a statistical question is? Well, if you remember, it was back here. It is a statistical question because, and I will let you read that on your own while you are doing your lessons. Yes. All right. When you are done here, I go back to this tab that I was, where it said, do you want to open in a new window? What I actually want to do is exit, and it takes me back to here. If I want to do any review of chapters 6 or 7, I click that back arrow, and it takes me back here where I can now pick my chapters. From the Google Classroom, if I go back to the stream, I will be posting announcements here. If you have questions, I please ask you to post them as a comment. So for example, Mused asked a question. It was a great question. It also gave me the opportunity to answer it here so everyone can see the question and the answer. So Mused asked, are the assignments on EasyBridge going to be graded? And are we going to take any tests online? Yes, the EasyBridge assignments will be graded. Right now, it is my understanding that we're going to grade them. We are going to put them in the grade book, and it will count for or against your grade. When we return from our time away from the classroom, when you complete your chapter 11 assessment and projects, that will then replace the assignment grades. Of course, that is subject to change, and I will let you know if and when that happens, but right now that's my understanding. And to answer the last part, are we going to be doing tests online? Right now, the answer is no. And again, subject to change. And if that changes, I will definitely let you know. There are about 50 of you in this Google Classroom right now. Here is the classroom code. Please check with your classmates to make sure and just verify with them, help them get logged in. The only exception would be students in my 4th hour. They have a different classroom. We're doing something a little bit different there. So again, if you have any questions that pertains to an announcement, please post them here. If it is something different, you are welcome to email, and I will do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Please make sure your questions are clear so I can answer them clearly and answer what you are actually looking for. Lastly, be a good person, make good choices, be nice to your siblings, be nice to your parents, be nice to your family, be nice to your community, help out when you can, wash your hands, and hopefully I will be seeing you very soon. Okay, so that is all I have for now. Be on the lookout for anything else, but I don't think I'll be posting anything else tonight. Have a wonderful evening. Bye-bye.